Have you been thinking about cutting your grass but don't want a Mexican to do it because you're racist? Well, in this list we will give you the top 10 lawnmowers that have stupidly long names to go cutting your grass with. At number 10, we have Playday Push and Bubble Lawnmower Toy with 4-ounce solution. Do you want free child labor? Well, number 10 suits you the best. This lawnmower is perfect for if the little kiddies want to join in and help fix up your backyard. Number 9 is the DeWalt 20-volt Max DCMW SP244U2 21-inch 20-volt battery self-propelled lawnmower. This lawnmower is very yellow. This is especially designed for those who like the color yellow. If you like yellow lawnmowers, this is for you. Number 8. Complicated Ultima ZTX4 60-inch. This lawnmower is also very yellow, but this one you can sit on because it's a zero-turn lawnmower, meaning you can sit on it and eat chips while it mows. Number 7. Trek Vac Z-Walk Behind and Ride on Deck. This lawnmower is also a zero-turn lawnmower, but this one has a vacuum built in, so when you cut your grass, it sucks it up for you to throw away. And number 6 is the EcoPower Plus 52-inch Z6 ZT5207L. This lawnmower can also be used as a normal couch to sit on. This is because the lawnmower comes with extra comfy and cushioned seats, bringing the best comfort while you mow your lawn. At number 5 is the 2021 Exmark Laser ZX Series 60-inch Caler ECV 980 EFI 35 HP. This lawnmower was suggested by my boyfriend Jordi Ayala Fuentes. Number 4 is the Kubota ZD331 lawnmower. This lawnmower is efficient as well and is in the color orange. Oranges have the color orange, but this is not an orange, it's a lawnmower. At number 3 is the Ferris Lawnmower ISX 3300 zero-turn mowers. This lawnmower is serious, and with how high it stands, makes you feel like a king while you cutting your grass. Now number 2. Number 2 is the Toro 74090 Z Master 7500. The Toro 74090 Z Master 7500 is very wide and inconvenient, but deserves its ranking due to the very large amount of grass it can cut. It's also very red like an apple. Before we get to the number 1, take a look at your lawnmower and determine whether it is good as the ones on this list. If you don't own one, the number 1 lawnmower would be the most perfect and affordable for you. Now finally, for our number 1 lawnmower. Number 1 is the John Deere Z-Track Z994R Diesel Zero-Turn Lawnmower. This lawnmower is green and has a deer as a mascot. It stands very tall, so you feel like you're the ruler of all blades of grass. Prices ranging from $5,000 to $20,000. You can get yourself a John Deere Z-Track Z994R Diesel Zero-Turn Mower now. Well, that's all our lawnmowers. Thanks for watching our video, and we hope you found yourself another lawnmower you'd rather have.